Manufactured in China. Easy to use. Highly durable. Installs easily. Fits all brands. 1-year warranty. Replacement flapper chain. Fits most common flapper types. This product is highly durable. This product is easy to use. This product is manufactured in China. 5104 flapper chain. Installs easily. Fits all brands. For use with all brands and standard flapper models. The Fluidmaster 5104 Kink-Free Flapper Chain is a simple solution to common toilet flapper chain problems. This universal part will replace most flapper chains, and the kink-free design is made to eliminate tangles and flapper hang-up. This also is a great solution to make any tank lever work with a Mansfield flush valve. Top reviews from the United States. Saves me money. This little chain works so well with our toilet. With the original factory chain, our toilet more often than not would run, sometimes for an hour or longer before being noticed. Our water consumption has decreased as a result of swapping out an inexpensive chain on our toilet. Works well and does what it is supposed to do.